modern application development has become highly complicated. A modern application is dependent on many tools and systems. As a result, maintaining dependencies with proper versions is time-consuming, tedious, and error-prone. Software deployment is another complicated process. Multiple teams work on various modules or microservices at the same time. They push their completed tasks whenever they are ready. However, application development and deployment cycles can be automated and made much easier to maintain with the help of various tools and systems. Amazon Web Services (AWS) offers services help automate the software development and deployment processes. Let's briefly introduce a few of these services offered by AWS. AWS Infrastructure Composer. AWS Infrastructure Composer is a visual tool to compose and configure serverless applications from AWS services. You can drag and drop serverless resources onto a visual browser-based canvas. As a result, you can connect them to quickly create your serverless application architecture. AWS Cloud9. AWS Cloud9 is an integrated development environment (IDE). It enables you to write, run, and debug your code with just a browser. It includes a code editor, debugger, and terminal. AWS Code9 comes prepackaged with essential tools for popular programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, PHP, and more. You can work on your projects from your office, home, or anywhere using an internet-connected machine. AWS Cloud Shell. AWS Cloud Shell is a browser-based shell. It enables you to securely manage, explore, and interact with your AWS resources. AWS Cloud Shell is pre-authenticated with your console credentials. Common development and operations tools are pre-installed. You can quickly run scripts with the AWS command line interface, AWS CLI, experiment with AWS service APIs using the AWS SDKs, or use a range of other tools to be productive. AWS Code Artifact. AWS Code Artifact is a fully managed artifact repository service. It enables you to securely store, publish, and share software packages used in the software development process. AWS Code Artifact can be configured to automatically fetch software packages and dependencies from public artifact repositories. AWS Code Build. AWS Code Build is a fully managed build service. It compiles source code, runs tests, and produces software packages that are ready to deploy. You don't need to provision, manage, and scale your own build servers. AWS Code Build scales continuously and processes multiple builds concurrently, so your builds are not left waiting in a queue. AWS Code Commit. AWS Code Commit is a fully managed source control service. It makes it easy for companies to host secure and highly scalable private Git repositories. AWS Code Commit eliminates the need to operate your own source control system or worry about scaling its infrastructure. AWS Code Deploy. AWS Code Deploy automates code deployments to any instance, including EC2 instances and instances running on premises. You can rapidly release new features, avoid downtime during application deployment, and handle the complexity of updating applications. You can use AWS Code Deploy to automate software deployments, eliminating the need for error-prone manual operations. The service scales with your infrastructure, so you can easily deploy to one instance or thousands. AWS Code Pipeline. AWS Code Pipeline is a fully managed, continuous delivery service. It enables you to automate your release pipelines for fast and reliable application and infrastructure updates. You can define your code release model. Based on the model, AWS Code Pipeline automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your release process every time there is a code change. This enables you to rapidly and reliably deliver features and updates. AWS X-Ray. AWS X-Ray helps developers analyze and debug distributed applications in production or under development. For example, AWS X-Ray is helpful to analyze the applications that are built using a microservices architecture. You can understand how your application and its underlying services are performing, so you can identify and troubleshoot the root cause of performance issues and errors. AWS X-Ray provides an end-to-end view of requests as they travel through your application and shows a map of your application's underlying components.